Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Sabira binti Idris. Metric number A163318. Today I'm going to show you a demonstration on how Google Sheet generates numerical analysis and graphical analysis. Let's get started. Okay, first let's start with numerical analysis. Go to Google Chrome. Type Google Sheet. This one. Okay. Go to Google Sheet, or maybe you can find it in Google Drive. Choose the blank, or if you have prepared one for me, an outline, because someone found you. Okay. I prepared myself with the data, set of data, name list and score. For this part, I'm going to show you how to prepare or how to generate mean, median and standard deviation. Alright. So here, there is a box here where we are going to show the formulas. Okay, formulas here. And this one is the rest. Okay. This part will be the mean. Second one is median. And third one will be the standard deviation. Alright. What are the formula for mean? Okay, these are the formula. I will type it for you first. Average bracket. You will type on your row and your column where it started. For example, like I started here at C2. C. This is the row 2. This is the column. Can you see? This is the row, this is the column. So it is C2. Right, C2. Type it on C2. Excuse me. C2. Then dot C until up until down to C. Here, still on the C row. But it ends at number 15 correctly at C16. You get me? But don't worry, it will generate automatically. It will generate it automatically once you have typed on the formula. C16. Okay, I'll show you how it works. These are the formula. This is the place where you can generate the numerical for me, numerical analysis for me. Okay. Type on the equal sign, okay, equal, and then type average, it automatically stated there, average. Visual, this is the one that you're looking for, numerical average value in dataset, okay, and then highlight all the scores from C2 up until C16. This is what I'm saying here, okay? And then close your bracket and enter. There you go. That's your mean. Okay? Let's proceed with median. Okay, median formula is MEDIAN. And same C2 and C16. Okay, let's generate the formula. This is the best part, okay? Equal, median, median value in the numerical dataset. Then highlight it from C2 to up, right to C16. And then close the bracket and Very easy, isn't it? Okay. Standard deviation. The formula for standard deviation is STDEV. Okay. The column and row C2 and A6. Let's generate it here. Equal, don't forget to type equal ST, standard deviation, this one. And then highlight, yes, and close bracket, enter. Now you're done. Okay guys, now let's proceed with graphical analysis of histogram. We have prepared a set of data here. Okay, now highlight all the scores, and then look for inserts. Click on chart. There you have it. This is what you're looking for. But how? Here. Column chart, look for histogram. This one. This is histogram chart. Okay? Okay, now we're going to generate box plot. Okay, before that, we have to look for the minimum, lower quartile, upper quartile, and maximum. Okay, there are formulas that we can use to look for each of these. For minimum, equal, type MIN, okay, minimum value in the numerical data set, highlight all the scores, close bracket, and enter. There we have it. That's your score, minimum, sorry. And then for lower quartile, equal, type quartile, value nearest to a specific quartile of the data set, and then highlight all the scores up and down. And then click on comma, type 1. This is the lower quartile. Okay, close your bracket and enter. Okay, that's the lower quartile. For upper quartile, equal, upper quartile. Okay. Highlight all the scores. Bracket, sorry, not yet, comma. And then, this time, 3. Okay, type 3. This is the upper quartile. And bracket, close bracket, enter. Can you see the difference? Lower quartile, bracket 1, upper quartile, bracket 3. Okay, then for the maximum, equal, MAX. Then highlight all and close bracket, enter. Okay, these are all the sets of minimum, quartile, maximum. Okay, now let's do the box plot. How do you do that? So I'm gonna type in what's gonna go along the bottom of our box plot with the data set. Here, and then highlight all the data. Okay, highlight all the data here. Alright, then look for insert, and then chart, chart type, and no stick. This one. There you have it. This is your box plot. You're done. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do the stem and leaf plot. Okay, I prepared a random set of numbers here, 13 to 69. First of all, I got to do is to separate the stem and leaf. Alright, so start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 13 to 69. So 1 to 6. Okay, these are the stems. So I'm gonna make a border for you to see. Stems, okay? Okay, now let's write the leaf for each of stem. Okay, we have 13. The stem is 1, so the leaf is 3. Brilliant. Okay, 14. 1. Oh, wow. 15. One more time. 1, 4. 15. 1, 5. 15. 1, 5. Okay, 21. This stem is 2, so the leaf is 1 here. Okay, 35. This stem is 3, the leaf is 5. 38. 3 and 8. 43. 4 and 3. And then we have 67. Just skip, okay? Because we don't have numbers started with 5. 67 and 69, 6 and 9. Alright, these are all the numbers. Now we're gonna make the key. Okay, for example, let's say the question asks you, my key is this one, is 3. So 3, the key supposedly be 5 and 8. 5 and 8. Alright, that's the key. Let's say the question asks you number of years. So the answer is 58 years.